for the good of the security of our learners, Board of Governors, together with the security personnel, we have decided to send these children away from school for some time, pending a decision to be taken after we have fully studied what caused the problem. The impact it has is great. First of all, students are going to lose. They are losing, and it is likely to bring poor performance of the school and to the learner himself.
Hey people, I want you to ask me. I'm asking you. Why are you not in uniform? Other students were in uniform. Why are you not in uniform? So therefore, why are you not in uniform? You see, why don't you shave your hair? So after writing your name, go and pick your things and we meet outside the school at the church. Before you go, we are going to give you a letter. So you can go.
Don't go on foot. From here you can walk up to Kamomo stage, okay?
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.